Okay, so we were lateral surface area. I'm just going to rewrite. What did we get for the lateral surface area on this one? 216. So what, and it's going to be centimeters squared. Remember, I marked this out. I had to, when I start a new one, I have to erase that other one, okay? So then I'm going to add, the only thing for total surface area, I'm going to add this rectangle right here. So this 16 times 8, because it's a rectangle. Okay. And then we got 128. So I'm going to add 128 to 216. Shh. Okay. So we have 344 centimeters squared. Okay, my last one over here. I have 4 triangles. My lateral surface area are these outside triangles. Now, I'm going to mark out these decimals just because it's... And so we're saying that these two are the same. Note that. So it's going to be 8 times 6 because it's base times height divided by 2. So it's 24. And this one is 24. Okay, this one is going to be 7 times what? 6. Where are we getting 6 from?
The height of the other triangle.
Okay, the height because it's a pyramid. So 7 times 6 divided by 2. So 42 divided by 2 is 21. So this thing is 21. Shh.
24 plus 24.
Guys, it picks up every sound, okay? So 24 plus 24 plus 21 is 69. So 69 centimeters squared. And then our total, we're going to add in this piece right here, which is 7 times 5 divided by 2, which you're going to get 17.5. So 69 plus 17.5. We have 86.5, so the total surface area there is 80. Oh man, I didn't mean to do that. Centimeters squared. Okay, so you should have lateral, remember, is your label, and total is all of it, okay? So make sure you have all of those numbers filled in. Go ahead and put that piece back into your foldable, okay?
Hi, people.
6.5